self-sand underlain by 3 meters of sea. Again, sa ating pumuna, ang pagkawar underlain means nasa clay. The groundwater table is 3 meters below the ground surface. Then, the sand has a unit weight of 70 kilonewtons per cubic meter. The clay has a unit weight of 16 kilonewtons per cubic meter above the water table. And 20 kilonewtons per cubic meter below the water table. So, libay pa rin. Kaya unit weight. Determine the following. Total vertical pressure at the bottom of the clay layer and effective vertical pressure at the bottom of the clay layer. Okay. So, this is usually ang picture. We can interpret na. And based on problem, the ground surface consists of 2 meters of self-sand. 2 meters, 3 meters. The groundwater table is 3 meters below the ground surface. Asa ang ground surface? Nandiyan eh, ba? 3 meters na niya. May na lang. Natasay kami. And mo na niya ang water table. That is 3 meters below the ground surface. Next, the sand has a unit weight of 17. Again, sand niya. Sand niya, nanami siya unit weight. Saturated has a unit weight of 17 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, wala rin siya na saturated, pero unit weight lang. That is 17 kilonewton per cubic meter. Hindi na siya saturated, of course, naman tubig naman na rin. Either moist or dry, so depende. Kung wala yung given mapod na water content, it means zero, yung water content dry. Dry din siya. While sa clay, as a unit weight of 16 kilonewton, duha na portion of clay. Clay yung tanan, so, ang ito sa gamal salt 1, na clay, ilan to, 16? Ilan ito per cubic meter, gamal salt po sa clay, 20. Determine the following. Total vertical pressure at the bottom of the clay layer. Basta ang bottom sa clay layer. Okay. Kaya kasi lagi yung yung yapon. Kaya yung yapon menggunakan. Okay, so gunakan total. Pressure total is equal to unit sa sand 17 times 2 plus saturated 16, kaya total man eh, times, okay, bahin-bahin na ng 3 meters. No, kuna sa 3 na, nabunan ko nila ito, so it means, 1 na lang nila kanin, 1 plus 20 times 2, that is equal to, sila? 90. Then 0. Ano EPA. Next, letter B. Effective vertical pressure at the bottom of the plate. Pag effective na, kung na lang po na system na may total, pwede ko na lang ng water table for water, unit sa tubig, and 21 times as a water table. Nariya, padaw sa boss. That is 2. Ilan eh? 18 point, 19 point, 62. And then, therefore, ang effective is equals to 90 minus 19 point ilan? 70.38. So, katong alternative sa effective, again, so, yung takay 17 times 2 plus saturated. Even though saturated siya, dili tawag minus of water niya, kaya may tubig. 60 na Japon. Times 1 plus 20, ano yung may version? Times, yung pila. Same lang. 70.38. The next.